What if I told you? Your phone doesn't actually feel your finger. It feels your electricity. That's right. Your finger is a walking battery. And your screen? It's reading that charge. Let me explain. Most modern phones use something called capacitive touch technology. Sounds sci-fi, right? It works like this. Your screen is layered with a grid of invisible sensors, each holding an electric charge. When your finger comes close, boom. Your body's electric field disrupts that charge. The screen senses the exact spot, and boom again, action happens. No pressure needed. No button pressing. Just vibes. Why doesn't your phone work with gloves? Because fabric doesn't carry electricity. You're basically poking your screen with a sock. 0 volts. 0 response. But wait. How does a stylus work? Well, some are powered to mimic your finger's charge. Others use pressure and different tech like resistive touch. But capacitive touch? It loves humans. Now here's something wild. You can trick your phone with a hot dog or a banana. Why? Because they hold moisture. And that's enough for a charge to register. Yeah, science is weird. So every time you tap, swipe, your body is literally sending microelectric signals into a glass panel. And your phone? It's listening. Like a psychic. With Wi-Fi. So next time your screen doesn't respond, maybe you're just not electric enough. If this made your brain tingle, smash that subscribe. Because next time, we're explaining why airplane mode actually matters and what happens if you ignore it. This is MindHacked.